Right now, I'm standing on top of the world's largest sand slime. But not actually, but we are gonna be making the world's largest sand slime island. And the last person to leave it gets to keep it. We recently made the world's largest honey cube squish slime, and now we're gonna be combining my two favorite things, giant slime and sand. You guys have been selling out our sand slimes every single week, and our chefs were super kind and made us a whole bunch of sand slime.
Fun fact, sand slime is one of the hardest slime textures to make. Like, all of this literally took an entire week. Do you guys remember when you were little kids and people would tell you, like, if you dig to the bottom of the sandbox, you'll hit China?
No.
Am I crazy?
Guys, if we're gonna make an entire sand slime island, we're gonna have to start getting to work.
Sand King. That's what we call this. I love it.
So is this it?
Yeah, what do you mean?
I mean, it's supposed to be the world's largest sand island. It's looking a little sad.
Yeah, maybe you're right. I think we could use a little more sand.
I mean, Andrea's coming in later, and she's expecting the world's largest sand island. You guys gotta lock in.
Does anyone have an idea?
I have an idea. I am gonna need you to put these on.
All right, I'm down. What's the master plan?
You guys are gonna go in disguise. We're all gonna sneak into the warehouse to get the bags of sand.
Okay.
Me, I'm gonna be hanging out in here. All right, you guys are gonna wheel me into the sand. I'm gonna grab it and stash it under the cart.
It's coming through.
All right, you're gonna go straight, then you're gonna take a 180-degree turn. You're gonna take a 90-degree turn to the left. Spin me around. There it is.
Ready for the sand? Here you go.
Oh, incoming.
Sand.
Over there.
Here we go. Kristie, you got the door?
I got it.
Go get the door. Go get the door.
Very important business.
Very
important business coming through. We got the sand.
We got the sand.
We got it. We did it.
We got all of our sand.
Oh my goodness. Now we have to empty out all these bags of sand and add them to our delicious, lovely pile.
All right, to finish our slime island, let's add in a second tree.
Hey guys, guess what? 5 seconds to get on the island, and you get to keep it. 5, 4, 3, 2.
I'm here.
The last person that gets off the island wins the whole thing. All the sand slime.
What?
All of it.
All right, so now that you guys are stuck on the island, you're gonna have challenges that will either negatively or positively impact you during this challenge. Mostly negative, because if you lose, you get kicked off.
No.
Challenge number 1, create the best sandcastle possible. And you can either use sand slime or the sand on the island surrounding you to make the best sandcastle possible. Loser leaves the island.
I'm
10 minutes
sinking.
starting now. 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, look, right here.
I'm a
Pineapple.
sandcastle expert.
Oh, yeah.
All right, what area do I want? Are you guys using sand slime? I'm using
easy.
actual sand.
This is easy.
I think it's looking pretty good.
Let me show you what we're working with here. You gotta rip from the edge because that's the easiest part to rip from. Take your square and pack in this really, really dense sand slime into the square. And once you've turned it into a square, place in your correct spot, push it, and boom, you got yourself a square.
I do have a smaller castle, but mine is really like geometrically interesting. Look at that. I want to add a little pizzazz with this dinosaur. Look at him. That's cool.
That's the floor.
Andrew, you better watch your foot, man. You're getting close to the
What
edge.
are you talking about? I'm just fine.
Get all close.
Just fine.
I have an idea. I'm gonna decorate it with this.
7, 6,
Oh God, Kristie.
2, 1. Hands up.
Kristie, we got over here. Okay, I see you used the sand slime. You used the actual
Yeah.
slime instead of actual sand.
Yeah.
It actually keeps really great shape with the shells
I think
and the
it's
starfish.
beautiful.
But then your castle's looking a little lumpy.
Have you seen like those artistic buildings, like the Leaning Tower of Pisa? Like,
Okay, yeah.
Like I think it gives it a little bit of charm.
So a rhino and a dinosaur and a castle.
Oh my god, I didn't see that you got like triceratops in the
That's what it is. It's a triceratops.
So awesome.
Hear me out.
What's with that one on the edge?
This is square in a circle with a triangle in the middle.
It's giving ancient ruins, I'll give you that. It's gonna be tricky to pick a loser, but I think I know who lost this challenge. After looking at all of these sand castles, it's safe to say that we have 3 losers. All these sandcastles are terrible. 1, 2,
No!
3. But all 3 of you are not kicked off the island. You're all still on the island. For the next round, you'll have to wear swimming goggles for the entire challenge. So now that your vision is all impaired, let's move on to challenge number 2. Challenge number 2. It's the treasure hunt. We have hidden a key somewhere in the sand island when you guys weren't looking. And the winner is going to get a special prize. There's no punishment for losing, just the winner gets a prize.
Okay.
Starting now, good luck.
Okay.
Oh, I can't even lift my feet.
It's gotta be under one of these. I'm not. No.
If I were hiding a key, I would hide it somewhere on the edges.
I'm going all fours for easier searching, you know? I plant my feet and then I use my hands and I feel around the island.
I can't see.
Since you guys cannot find the key and you're taking too long, we're gonna split the island in half. And it's
Split?
actually on this half.
Oh,
It's on the left half? Yeah. Or the right
all
left
right,
half.
let's find it.
I found it!
Hanna got
I
it!
found it!
What? Oh.
Go, Hanna! Time to
What the-
find my special prize.
What is it?
What is it? What is it?
You have won an advantage. Prize. Please choose one player that must wear dizzy goggles for the entire challenge.
Please, no. These
Dizzy
already
goggles.
suck.
Such a hard decision. Who could I ever? Andrew.
Oh my.
What's it look like? What's it look like?
It's very dizzying, I'll say that.
Oh my god.
So Andrew's going to be very dizzy, and we'll hope he doesn't fall off the sand island with those dizzy goggles
Dude, this
as
is
we move into round 3 with challenge number 3. Challenge number 3, while Andrew is dizzy, the 3 of you need to make the best sand slime possible using glue and these charms and all the sand on the island. And the loser will actually be kicked off the island this time. 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh my goodness.
This is-
I can't
This
see
is enough
anything.
glue.
They
There's
also
a
only
cat.
have 10 minutes to make the slime.
Only 10 minutes?
Oh, 10
So
minutes.
good luck.
Activator.
All right, get into sand.
I can't. I don't know.
Here's the plan. We're just gonna dump what we got into the sand so that it can collect as much sand as it wants. And we're gonna add some activator. I feel like I've seen this on TikTok, people making sand slime at the beach. So let's do this.
I'm gonna make my sand blue. You're making the slime and then adding the sand in.
Oh, I forgot we're making sand slime. I thought we were just making slime.
You have the goggles on. It's only supposed to affect your eyesight, not your brain too.
Wait, okay. I think this is working. This is working. This is slime. This is slime. I think this is really good. Wait, okay, I did it.
This is sand slime. Sand slime junior. I need to go
That's okay.
over there to get charms. I can't see. Excuse me. I'm sorry.
Andrew's stepping on me.
Could you grab me some blue? Yes.
Andrew's just stomping all over our island here.
Where's my cup? I can't even see my cup. I can't tell where anything is.
Oh, I really like this little guy. My son's pretty messy. Maybe Dan likes this thingy.
My thinking was that I was gonna make like an ocean right here, and then have a middle part where the sand is, and then have some trees, or like palm trees or green or something. Okay, I have to be very careful. Here's the ocean. Look at that. It's the ocean. I can't. Is that corn? I gotta like hold it up really close so I can see anything. I got some green charms. I've got cactus, and turtle. The cactus, this is gonna be a desert beach sort of vibe.
I would also like to add a hammerhead shark. That's so cute. The cool thing about this slime is that you can't really touch it because I didn't mix it in very well. I got a little lazy, I'm gonna be honest. This sand slime is really hard to mix, so this is gonna be as good as it gets.
Let's do, turtles. Let's put some turtles on here. I love turtles. Oh, a little palm tree. Oh, this is so cute. Wait, I feel like I should make part of it blue so that it's like water.
10 seconds
Oh
left.
my gosh, 10 seconds. Here's our little shore right here.
Okay, I'm gonna take them off for a second.
3,
My eyes are closed.
2,
Never mind.
1. Hands up.
All right.
Hands.
Challenge 3 is complete. You all have made some lovely slimes. Andrew, you can now take your goggles off.
Oh, bless you.
We'll start with you, Andrew.
Okay.
You had dizzy goggles, and yet this little beach scene, I'm loving what I'm seeing here. Sea turtles coming up, maybe to like lay some eggs, and you know, the ocean is on the shore. Sand slime's feeling nice, but it does look like the ocean and a nice shoreline. It's giving Atlantic with the deep blue. Yes. Next up, Hanna. Okay, we got a little squid friend, a little hammerhead shark.
Yeah.
Kristie's falling over. Don't fall off the island. Okay, so it's like, I see, it's kind of looking like the sea foam's coming up over the shoreline sort of here. I am confused because why would a hammerhead shark be on the shore and a squid?
To be honest, I got a
Unmixed.
little tired of mixing it. My hands started
That's
cramping
fair.
up. And
The sand slime is tough, so.
And then the charms, I just really like those charms. I didn't really think logistically.
I do like these little pearls, these little like glass beads you guys use.
Yeah, I like the glass
Those
beads
are nice.
a lot.
They add a little effect to the water, so. And Kristie, last but not least, another seaside shore theme. There's so many little family of turtles. And then a little palm tree back here. I like it, I like it.
I have great texture, which is something you haven't judged yet.
That is true. The slime texture is pretty good. Hold on, let me get in here. A little stiff, also a little stiff. So yeah, your texture is better.
Right.
After looking at all 3 slimes, I think it's pretty clear who is going to be forced to leave the island. The one who will be going home today and leaving the island is
Andrew.
Hanna. If you would please exit.
Whatever. I hated this island. It was ugly.
And for challenge number 4, the final challenge, we're actually going to make you guys do a head-to-head big island battle. Andrew?
Yes.
Kristie? On my mark, you will fight and try to push each other off the island, leaving one person standing as the winner. 3, 2, 1, go!
Andrew's going at it!
Yes! There's the winner! Yes! And the winner of the Big Island Slime Battle, Andrew. Andrew gets to keep all 1,000 pounds of the slime island in its beauty. Congratulations, Andrew. Good luck getting the all the slime home, though. So.
I live here now.
Hey, if you want more sand slime, you should subscribe.